In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a 1099-B form using TurboTax. Filing your taxes can often feel daunting, especially when dealing with investment income. But don't worry, with TurboTax the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. So grab your 1099-B form, settle in, and let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to TurboTax Online for the tax year 2025. Open your browser and navigate to the TurboTax website. Logging into your account will bring you to the main dashboard where you can see various options related to your taxes. Once you're in, the next step is to click on the Income section. This is where TurboTax allows you to enter all details related to your earnings. You'll find it on the main menu, and it's the gateway to ensuring that all your income streams, including investments, are accurately reported. After clicking on Income, you'll want to select Investments and Savings. This section is specifically designed to handle various forms of investment income, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which are reported on the 1099-B. With the Investments and Savings section open, look for the Add/Edit button. Clicking this will allow you to add new information or edit existing entries related to your investment income. Next, you'll see a prompt asking if you have any investment income. Here, you simply need to click Yes. This tells TurboTax that you have information to enter from your 1099-B form. Following this confirmation, you'll be presented with different ways to enter your investment information. Click on Enter a Different Way. This option is useful if you prefer to manually enter the details from your 1099-B form, ensuring that everything is captured accurately. Now, you'll click on Type it in myself. By doing this, you're choosing to manually input the data, which can be more precise if you want to double-check each entry against your physical form. Finally, you'll select stocks, bonds, mutual funds as the type of investment income you're reporting. This is typically the category under which most 1099-Bs fall, covering the majority of common investment transactions. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to file your 1099-B on TurboTax. Remember, when entering your information, take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Mistakes can lead to complications with the IRS, so double-check your entries. Once you're done, TurboTax will guide you through the rest of the tax filing process, making sure you maximize your deductions and minimize your tax liability. Happy filing!